How can teenagers dry clothes without a dryer? Imagine coming home after a long day and realizing your clothes are still wet. No dryer in sight, but don't worry, drying clothes without one is easier than you think. It's a handy skill that saves money and makes you more independent. First, after washing your clothes, squeeze out as much water as possible. If you have a washing machine with a spin cycle, use the high spin setting. If not, wring out your clothes by hand, pressing out excess water. The less water left, the faster they will dry. To hang clothes outside, find a sturdy clothesline or a drying rack. On a sunny, breezy day, hang your clothes outside. Sunlight helps kill bacteria and leaves a fresh smell. Make sure to hang clothes with enough space between them so air can circulate. If it's rainy or very humid, drying indoors is better. Use a well-ventilated room, open a window slightly, and spread clothes out on a drying rack or hangers. If you have a ceiling fan, place your rack underneath it to boost airflow. During colder months, position your drying rack near a heater or in a warm room. Keep clothes at a safe distance from heat sources to prevent fire hazards. If you don't have a drying rack, try using chairs, the backs of doors, or even a clean towel laid flat on the floor. For small items like socks or underwear, lay them flat on a towel, roll it up, and press gently to absorb extra moisture. Once rolled, hang or lay them flat to finish drying. If clothes feel stiff after air drying, give them a quick shake or toss them in a warm room for a few minutes to soften. To avoid musty smells, make sure clothes are completely dry before storing. Remember, drying clothes without a machine takes patience, but it's a simple skill that helps you become more self-sufficient. It's eco-friendly, saves energy, and is perfect when you're in a hurry or don't have access to a dryer. With a little practice, you'll find your own routine that works best for your space and weather. Keep in mind, always check that clothes are fully dry before putting them away to prevent odors or mold. It's a great way to take care of your clothes and build everyday independence.